at this picture on the screen and tell me, is this real or fake? Expensive camera? Professional studio? No, absolutely nothing. This is made entirely with AI, and that too completely for free. Welcome to the PC Error Detective channel. I know many people get fake results like cartoons when trying to make AI pictures. And the biggest thing is, I will not show any paid tool today. Zero money spent. You just need a Gmail account. That is really very annoying. Today I will show exactly what settings and exact prompt formulas to use to generate this level of high-end realistic pictures. There is no headache of hidden subscription fees or trial limits. Most AI tools ask for a card right after 3 pictures. The free tools? Skin looks like plastic, crooked eyes, 6 hands, a complete nightmare. Today we will bypass that zone entirely. Often the pupils of the eyes stay crooked. We will bypass these limitations today. If you follow a specific flow, it is possible to bring much better results than Midjourney using free tools. Let's go straight to the browser. I will go straight to the screen record without talking about useless things. First, open your browser and go to Flow AI. After opening the website, sign in with your Google account. Once you log in, you will see the main screen with a chat box in the middle. Now click on the chat box. Here you need to type a command describing the image you want. For example, I typed, create a realistic cinematic portrait with natural lighting and ultra detailed face. Now click the plus icon right beside the chat box. After clicking it, choose Upload Image. Then select your photo from your computer or phone. Once the image uploads, you are ready to generate the AI photo. Now press Enter or click the Generate button. The AI will start processing your image and prompt together. Wait a few seconds and boom, you now have a realistic AI generated photo. Honestly, some of these results look almost like real camera shots. If the image does not look perfect the first time, try changing the prompt a little. For better results, add words like cinematic lighting, ultra realistic sharp details, natural skin texture, 8K, photo DSLR quality. These keywords help the AI create much more realistic images. Once you like the result, click download. Now you have a high resolution, 100% realistic AI portrait created completely for free. No credit card needed, no subscription needed. Just one Gmail. This is the real power. If you want, you can make thousands of different variations by using the same prompt structure and just changing the lighting, camera lens, or background name. Just remember that negative prompt and the upscaling formula. That is all for today. Try it and let me know in the comments how the result turned out. See you in the next video.